Are you worried about hackers, spyware, or unwanted contact on WhatsApp? The app has just released a new lockdown-style feature called Strict Account Settings. It's designed for high-risk users like journalists or activists, but anyone can use it to turn their account into a fortress with just one switch. Here is how to set it up. First, make sure you are using your primary phone. You cannot enable or change this setting through WhatsApp Web or the desktop app. It must be done on your main mobile device for security reasons. Open WhatsApp and navigate to the three dots on the top right corner. In here, go into Settings, and from here, select Privacy. Scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Advanced. This is where WhatsApp keeps its most powerful security tools. You will see an option called Strict Account Settings. Simply toggle it on, once enabled, your account automatically enters a high integrity lockdown state. Here is what changes immediately. WhatsApp will automatically block all photos, videos, and files sent by people who are not in your contact. Any calls from unknown numbers will be silenced. Link previews are disabled to stop hackers from tracking you through malicious links. Profile stealth, your profile photo, about info, and last seen status are locked so only your contacts can see them. Mandatory two-step verification and security notifications are turned on and locked so they cannot be disabled. If you don't see this option, don't worry. WhatsApp is rolling this feature out gradually over the coming weeks. So keep your app updated. If you ever need to turn it off, just follow the same steps. Untoggle and switch back off. That's it. You have now enabled the strongest privacy protections WhatsApp has to offer. And stay safe out there.